In this video I'm going to show you the best way to learn the pentatonic scale. We are going to use a lot of different techniques in order to visualize and memorize the different fingerings along the fretboard, and I promise that by the end of this video you'll have zero doubts when it comes to play pentatonics everywhere. Our home base will be A minor, so the first position would be on the 5th fret, starting with finger number 1. This is the traditional box. Those are the 5 notes, 6 notes, because I played the octave, that conform the scale. Once we have these 5 notes, we are going to play them on just one string, starting with the 6th. Doing this, we are memorizing the starting points for the different fingerings. Let's do the same on the first string. And if we move backwards, and the same here, the second step is to focus on our root and try to find that note, in this case A, along the different possibilities and combinations doing octaves. Imagine, for example, given this formation, we already have one octave here, so we are going to play just from A to A in both situations. And now another position in which we have an A is this one, so if we want to make 2 octaves from here, we got to use these positions that we already played on the first string. Imagine something like this. Let's find another A here, and we can use the rest of the scale that we just played. With this, we still don't have all the fretboard, but we are focusing on the most important notes, the starting note, from which we can extract all of our ideas and planning when we are improvising. You can use a backing track or maybe a loop to practice these ideas. Now we are going to practice from octave to octave. I understand that this is not the traditional fingerings, but we are somehow combining 2 positions in order to make sense of the octave, just like a piano player does in his instrument. Starting from another A, now that we have mapped the octaves, we are going to play the scale downwards, starting on the first string and using all the positions that we already know. This position now. Now starting from here. and the fifth position. Now it's time to play groups of 2 strings and going for all the fifth positions, only employing them. This is a great exercise to improve our visualization skills, and you can work with different motifs or ideas. I'm just playing tiga-to-tap, but you can play whatever you want using these 4 notes. So use this information and bring it to your style and your phrasing. To take things further, you can play in one position and anytime change to the previous or to the next one. In this case, I'm going to start phrases with the first position and I'm going to change to the previous one in the second string. Something like this. Quite easy. Instead of playing, which is great, but you can add more dramatism and, I don't know, articulation if you change position. The same idea on the next position. Instead of this slide, next, and finally. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, you got all the PDFs available with the diagrams and stuff on my website for free. So check them out and see you in the next chapter.